If you're interested in a trading Forex but you don't want to use your own money to start out, use the link in the description, sign up. If you are signing up for the first time, you get $30 credit. You cannot withdraw the $30 credit as it's just a credit. But if you make profits on that credit, you can withdraw your profits. Free $30 for try trading Forex. The link is in the description. You get the $30 after you confirm that you are who you say you are by providing the information that is requested of you. I even know nothing about trading. The link is in the description also that you can use to learn a few things, you know. At least get yourself started on the right path. In the description link. Alright, video time.
Yes, man.
If you buy lotto zine, you just buy lotto non-stop. And you pray for win. When I say pray, I mean you pray. You pray for win like what? But you just can't win. And you wonder why my prayer them now go through for winning lotto. And them money I freak it up.
I hit the lottery.
Jamal won $30,000 on the Michigan lottery, bought himself a $20,000 necklace.
So you mean to tell me say you win the lotto for $30,000 and you take $20,000 out of $30,000 go buy one chain?
It's a cool clat here to your band fool to
But they want your pocket in my basket. I feel your money. But still, 2/3 are your winnings, your techie. And go buy one chain. Why?
Jamal won $30,000 on the Michigan lottery, bought himself a $20,000 necklace. You see he's wearing it there.
Me can't even see it. Me say me can't even see it. The chain don't have significant size for me say, yo, me see why I'm spending $20,000 upon it, man.
He's heard of people getting robbed for their jewelry.
Yeah, it's a thing. So I was just looking around, making sure nobody ain't trying to get my chain.
So you buy the chain, 20K upon a chain. And if that never enough, you go walk around in our area where it is known that people get robbed for their jewelry.
Yeah, it's a thing.
Where the bum there?
I really like this. Jamal, you're $1, but it is clear you have no sense. Speaking of Jamal, and that's how you figure. Yeah man, because you need some special education. You really need to be taught about money management.
I'm a mascot. Circus you want go.
If Jamal has $30,000 and spends $20,000 on a chain, what does that make Jamal?
Nobody ain't trying to get my chain,
But they did get his chain. He walks out the store. The suspects were waiting.
You not sensible at all, Jamal. As a matter of fact, hold this.
No fuck are you?
Me not like thief, brother, but the way how you move right now, you make me want to side with the thief them.
so I ran back, tried to get back into the gas station. They had grabbed me, tackled me down.
Can you know sense? Alright, you buy your $20,000 chain, right? At least get yourself some protection now. And in your country, it is very easy to get protection. It's like you buy one soda. For less than $1,000, you could have protected yourself. Protected yourself. You know, say wolves love meat. And you would feel sheep self. Go order steak and come and flaunt it in front of the wolves. Mr. Sheep, where do you really expect the wolves them to do? Invited to the churchyard for a word of prayer?
Ripping off his gold.
They took off running and jumped in their car and took off down Warren.
This is one of those examples where you have to say the Lord give it and the Lord take it away. When you realize say, you know, no blasted sense. And personally, this is the feeling when I get. Like every single person will buy a lotto ticket. You go pray to God and you go ask God to make you win. And in return, you go do some things for God. You go help out some situations. God, if you make me win, me build up every church in Jamaica. Me donate half of my winnings to the church. No madman can left on the road again, God. Just make me win. Do. Every one of them may feed and build house and buy car and land and set up a business, give them Father God. Do. Just make me get the winnings. Please, me I beg your Father. Do. God, me I tell you, say, all them, if me win, Father, me bail out Jamaica out of debt, Father God. I swear. That me just ask you for make me win, Father. Please, me build all one big old statue in a half a tree and make them know, say, God and God a King. Please, Father God, just make me win. Do. Jamal do that. And he make the bargain with God. And I keep up him end. Boom, you win. 20k pan a chain. How I God say?
Oh, so you think you're going to just scam me, so? I mean, I like that to the brother, you know, but, you know what I mean, he can't make no move without me. And I say, I itch to attack you. Yeah, Satan, a blessed day to you. You see that brother there, Jamal, when I make win the lotto? Yeah, I say you want to go after him. I want you to teach him a lesson. No, you cannot kill him. No. But if why you conk him too hard, but he need a little nudge in the right direction. So I'm going to allow you to, run up on him. Yeah. I said you cannot kill him. Have a blessed day. Let me know when you're done. Call me, text me, WhatsApp me, and let me know when it gets out. Yeah. I can wash some clothes.
Jamal, God is a forgiving God, so he might just make you win again. Probably even make you win bigger. It's just that he might go hope so you learn your lesson and this time you keep up your promises. $30,000 and you take $20,000. Go buy one chain, brother. You don't have nowhere to build up. You don't have nothing you want to invest in. You don't want to give grandma some money, mama some money, papa some money, your brother, your sister. You don't want to help out nobody. You know, and donate a couple of bucks, $20,000 for that. What a waste! So when people out there genuinely want to win lotto again, and them money freak it up. That's why you can't win.
Hey Jesus, we love them, we love them down there, no master. But you see when all our message them are coming, I ask about if you win lotto.
Yes, Daddy.
Yes, make all of them go to voicemail.
Yes, Daddy, me have to do it.
I put them in a junk folder.
Yes, Daddy.
We love them down there, but if I this, what them are going to do when we make them win lotto, might as well nobody know win the lotto.
Jamal, too full, Daddy.
Man!
Look, people, that is it. Remember, if you want to try out the Forex thing and you don't want to use your own money, link is in the description for you to sign up. And if it's your first time signing up, you get a free $30 credit that you can use to trade, and if you make profits on that, you can withdraw it. Thank you for your videos and your video suggestions. Hit the like button, hit the share button, definitely subscribe. This is Kevin Too Crazy. You think you believe it, and you live to achieve it. Don't be a Jamal in a life, yeah? Don't be a Jamal.